Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter 2014 Infiniti Q50 step by step. Park the car and open the glove box fully, then push in the stops to lower it completely. Remove the glove box liner and unclip the filter housing cover carefully. Slide out the old filter noting the airflow arrow, insert the new filter with the arrow pointing inward, then reassemble in reverse order. Start by emptying the glove box so it can drop easily, then locate the stops on each side. Squeeze or press the stops inward while lowering the box slowly to avoid snapping plastic. If present, remove the felt liner by pulling it straight out to reveal the rectangular filter housing cover with clips that you can release by hand. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more handy car tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during DIY projects and fits cup holders, so it makes a small but useful companion while you change the filter. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you like the idea. Now let's get back to the video. Release the housing clips and gently pull out the dirty filter, watching for accumulated leaves or debris. Compare the new filter to the old one to confirm size and orientation, then insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing toward the cabin interior. Snap the housing cover back on, reposition the felt liner, and lift the glove box back into place, ensuring the stops engage properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.